Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello and welcome to my channel, Easy English with Us. It's nice to meet you again. Today, we're going to learn some vocabulary at home. Are you ready? Let's go! Vocabulary at home. Part 1. Parts of the house. House. Say it with me. House. House. A house is made of walls and a roof, but it becomes a home when it's filled with family, love, and memories. Building. A building is a structure with walls and a roof. It can be tall, like a skyscraper, or small, like a shop. Say it with me. Building. 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 A living room is the main room in a house where people relax and spend time together. It usually has sofas, chairs, a coffee table, and sometimes a TV. Families watch movies, talk, or welcome guests in the living room. Say it with me. Living room. Living room. Living room. Bedroom. Bedroom. Say it with me. Bedroom. Kitchen. A kitchen is the room in a house where people cook, prepare food, and sometimes eat. Kitchen. Kitchen. Bathroom. 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 A bathroom is the room in a house where people wash themselves, take a shower or bath, and use the toilet. It usually has a sink, a toilet, a shower, and a bathtub. Garden. Garden. One more time. Garden. Balcony. Again. Balcony. Balcony. Hallway. A hallway is a long passage at a building or house that connects different rooms. One more time. Hallway. 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 Stairs. Stairs. Say it with me. Stairs. Stairs are a set of steps that you use to go from one level or floor to another in a building. Roof. Roof is the top covering of a building that protects it from rain, snow, sun, and wind. Say it with me. Roof. 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 Garage. Garage. Repeat after me. Garage. Wall. Wall. Say it with me. Wall. Wall. Ceiling. 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 The ceiling is the top inside surface of a room, right above your head. It keeps the room covered and can be plain, decorated, or have lights attached. Floor. Floor. Say it with me. Floor. The floor is the bottom surface of a room that you walk on. Window. Window. Repeat with me. Window. Window. Door. Say it with me. Door. 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 Furniture. Chair. Chair. Say it with me. Chair. Table. Repeat with me. Table. 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 Sofa. Sofa. Say it with me. Sofa. Bed. Beds help you rest and recharge so you can have energy for the next day. Say it with me. Bed. 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 Mattress. A mattress is the soft, thick pad that you put on a bed to sleep comfortably. Mattress. Say it with me. Mattress. Mattress. pillow, pillow. Say it with me. Pillow. Blanket. Blanket. Say it with me. Wardrobe. 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 Say it with me. Wardrobe. Your wardrobe keeps your clothes organized and protected. Drawer. A drawer is a sliding box inside furniture, like a desk or wardrobe, used to store things neatly. It helps keep small items organized and easy to find. Say it with me. Drawer. 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 Shelf. A shelf is a flat board fixed to a wall or inside furniture, used to hold and display items. You can keep books, decorations, dishes, or plants on it. Shelf. Say it with me. Shelf. Shelf. Desk. A desk is your personal workspace, where ideas are born and goals are achieved. Say it with me. Desk. 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 Lamp. Lamp. One more time. Lamp. Lamp. Rug. Rugs are not only practical, but also decorative, adding beauty to your home. Say it with me. Rug. 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 Curtain. Curtain. Say it with me. Curtain. A curtain is a piece of cloth that covers windows or doors to block light, keep privacy, or decorate a room. Kitchen items. Fridge. Say it with me. Fridge. Fridge. Oven. An oven is a kitchen appliance used for cooking or baking food. Oven. Say it with me. Oven. Oven. Stove. Stove. Say it with me. Stove. Microwave. A microwave is a kitchen appliance that heats or cooks food quickly using electromagnetic waves. Say it with me. Microwave. 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 Sink. A sink is a basin in the kitchen or bathroom used for washing hands, dishes, or food. Say it with me. Sink. Sink. Spoon. Say it with me. Spoon. Spoon. Fork. Again. Fork. Fork. Knife. One more time. Knife. Knife. Plate. Repeat after me. Plate. Plate. Cup. A cup is a small container used for drinking liquids such as water, tea, coffee, or juice. Repeat after me. Cup. 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 Glass. Repeat after me. Glass. Glass. Pan. Pan. Say it with me. Pan. Pot. A pot is a deep container used in the kitchen for cooking, boiling, or simmering food. Say it with me. Pot. Pot. Kettle. One more time. Kettle. Kettle. Dish. Dish. Say it with me. Dish. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. In the second part, we'll study other vocabulary at home. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.